Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I wanted to do a really quick just overview of the Isle of Doom when it is partially disassembled. So this is a bit tricky of a piece to try and repair and troubleshoot, but it is doable. When I received this piece, the top here was not working and this figure here was not moving. So also I've noticed a few people try and use low voltage power adapters with this piece. This particular one was the 2004 version, which uses a mister and also has animation. And this one uses a 24 volt AC power adapter. If you have a 24 volt DC adapter, that should still get the power for the piece running, like all the animation and lighting, but the mister will not function correctly without a AC adapter. Currently I don't have water in here, so that's why it's not misting. And so I just wanted to do a quick video though to explain how you could get it apart to fix certain parts of it. If your beacon or lighthouse is not running correctly, all you'll need to do is remove the top portion here and then try and get this piece out. What I did is the motor was actually seized and it was not really moving at all, and the gearbox was all kind of dried up and the grease inside was pretty gunky. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off quick. So what I did is the motor was sort of glued in there, and for my pieces I always use this oil because it's a synthetic silicone oil and it works really well for cleaning electrical contacts. It can also help to remove hot glue. So I poured some of that oil onto this motor, and then I was able to actually get it to just pop out, and I poured more oil inside of this gearbox, and then the motor was running, and then I was able to put it back in, and with the oil to loosen up the old grease, it was actually able to get it to turn and move just fine after that. Also, what I noticed with this piece is this fan can get really noisy, and a lot of people complain about how noisy this piece gets. Again, I recommend this oil. When I got this piece, the fan was very annoying and loud, and I put some oil in the top hole right here, and then I tilted the piece back a bit and poured oil onto the shaft, and that gets it to loosen up a lot because it just sort of starts to rust just a tad because of it's next to water. So putting some oil on there should really help to make it quiet. This figure I did not have to do much with. He was just fine when I got the piece, so I don't really have a lot of guidance or experience to give you on him. Although I'd say that one is one of the easier motors to get to. This piece has 4 motors. One here for the fan, one for this figure, one for here, and one for here. So as you can see inside, this is just 4 Phillips screws that you have to remove. And then this piece is interesting, it actually has heat sinks because this board gets pretty hot. This one here seems to be responsible for the mister. This one, I'm not really entirely sure. I think it's some sort of power